Hello, today I'm unboxing the last version of BTS's Love Yourself Her that I needed, and it's E. Alright. Disc. I like the way these albums were set up. Alright, and then track list. I'm gonna look at the photo book. Oh wait, before we start, I will pull out the extras. I don't want to know who I got yet. There we go. Alright. Oh, my sister has a poster of this real big in her room. This is the pizza photo shoot. That's right. I forgot the only one I didn't have yet was the pizza shoot. That's so cute. Oh, so pretty. He looks so cool. Oh. Oh, Jin. So cute. Oh. Yay. Oh, he looks so cool. Oh, I love when he do that with his mouth. Pizza. Ah! Oh my god. I think he's so cute when he eats. I know that's weird, but still. Oh, so pretty. Really though, like every time I see him, he is just so good at modeling. He could have been a model, definitely. I'm glad he's not. I'm glad he's an idol and in BTS. Just saying, if he wasn't, he could have been a model. Ooh, this is such a good picture. I think my sister has a photo card of Hopi in that shirt. Oh. That's so cute that he fits in there. Ooh, Jin looks so cool. He's the coolest. JK. Oh, he's on a bike. One of those bike games. His hair looks so good like that. His hair looks good like that. Ooh. Ooh, I like this photo. And track list and lyrics again. I need to go so fast. Yes. Ooh. Oh yes, and the thank yous. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, and then the stickers. Cool. I forgot it came with stickers. Alright. Got this big hit thing. And the notes again. I don't know if I've ever put them on the videos before. Alright, let's see who I got. Oh, Jin! I was saying he looked cool. Oh. He is a handsome man. I love it. And now I have all 4 of them. Yay! Alright, thank you for watching.